Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm starting this video outside because I have something to share with you. I purchased a broken Toyota truck. And what did I get? It's right behind the door. Here is our new project. And for those who are fans of this channel, you know this truck very well. I filmed her like 3 years ago, a bunch of services on her, and I filmed her recently also, like a month ago. But for those who are not long-time subscribers, let's start with introducing the truck, and maybe in the second half we should discuss what's broken on her, why she was dumped on me with her brand new owner. So, this is 2007 Toyota Tundra in the SR5 trim. It finally stopped drizzling, so let's move outside, we have more light. Let me show you what is inside. So for some reason they removed that OEM stereo which was here. They put an insert and that horrible Clarion deck. I tried already that sound. Oh my god, the sound here is so awful. And that's despite the fact they apparently spent a bunch of money on this entire stereo system. All of this will be going out. I can't even stand it. I tried to dial it and tune it. The sound here, it's so horrible, you have no idea. Or maybe I'm just spoiled with this Harman Kardon stereo system in this S-Class Mercedes. That's possible. So there is a kicker, another control unit, and it's all going here in the back. You cannot put the seats even correctly in the back because here is that kicker boombox, and they are hidden. There is one right there, amplifier. Let's go look on the other side. All of this I will be removing. I have no desire to drive around the town and bother everybody living around, shaking the whole neighborhood with these things. I use that setup box down there. It will shake the building. It's disgusting. Here is another part. It's the kicker. I have even no idea what it is. It sits right here. All these wires are loose. It's crazy, guys. So I will be taking all of this out and making her normal again. Look how that cabin is ginormous. I love it. Here you can see finally, without a drizzle, that two-tone cabin. Nothing really exciting. I don't like it, but that's okay. I don't care much about that. It's just a truck. And of course all of you are screaming, "Hey Peter, engine bay immediately, please." So this is the typical 5.7 liter I-Force, plus again those crazy add-ons. That must be the mega fuse for all that stereo system. So I will be pulling it out of here. Here is some alarm, aftermarket alarm unit with some weird wiring. If you look here, that was the sensor which was supposed to push in and be wired to it and protecting the engine bay, but that's completely rusted. It cannot even move. So there will be a lot of stuff removed and thrown away from here to bring her back to her previous glory. And I'm pretty excited about this 5.7 liter V8 iForce engine. They're basically bulletproof. They're known, some of them go over 1 million miles without major overhaul, meaning head gaskets and so on. That 6-speed automatic transmission, which I mentioned right here, also that was upgrade. It's basically the previous 5-speed, but it was beefed up. It's stronger. They are relatively very reliable again. I saw reports from the people, from the owners. Somebody made over $500,000 on that unit with maintaining it without any servicing and repairs, only the maintenance, the fluids and filters. So this is exciting. It's a great Toyota product. Now let's discuss why I bought it and what's wrong with it. So I serviced this vehicle approximately 3 years ago, and recently, like a couple of months ago, it changed the ownership. Young gentleman, local young gentleman bought it, very excited. He overpaid for it, but whatever, that's just matter of opinion. And within like 2-3 weeks, he had serious problems. I met him 3 weeks ago, did the whole inspection, which he should have done before buying and not after, but whatever, that's fine. He wanted to know what he bought. We set up the plan of the maintenance for him, but then immediately 2 weeks later, he got it in limp mode. He couldn't drive over 30 miles per hour. I was out of the town, so I couldn't help him, so he took it to one of the local shops. They scanned the computer and diagnosed that one of his secondary air injection pumps should be replaced based on the code which they discovered. They replaced one secondary air injection pump, advising that new gentleman that it should be also replaced the other one, the second one, that are in pairs, and also the valves behind the engine. But the whole price was over $3,000, so he did for roughly $1,000 only one and kept driving. After the week, he got in another limp mode. The Tundra will not go over 30 miles per hour. He towed it to the shop which did the work. Previously, they said, yep, you need additional $2,000+ repairs. They discussed it in the family and they said, this is a lemon for us. We just bought it. It was smoked, everything was fine. This is lemon. We don't want to deal with it anymore. Hey, Peter, are you willing to purchase it from us? I said, yeah. Despite the fact these horrors, these wheels, the rims, and all that chrome, and it's just gross. But I said, yeah, for a reasonable price, I will buy this baby from you guys, and I will fix her up. It will be good opportunity for this channel. We can do the repairs, it will create content, and we can get rid of this disgusting stereo system and fix that up. So this is what happened. I think I overpaid a little bit for it because there will be a bunch of money need to be spent just to bring her back to the normality. But it's fine. We will do it together. I hope you are excited. I'm partially excited. It's a great truck. It's a big Tundra. It's a tank. She's a tank. Of course, she got it by all these weird upgrades and weird stuff, but it's okay. I think she has potential. I think we can make her happy again. And film most of it on this channel. So if you like this video, if you are excited with me, please give it a thumb up. Be subscribed, because as you can see, there's endless content coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.